Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at my Legion Secret results for the month of March. I know I'm still in March, but I wanted to get this out because I think that there has been a lot of learning for me the last couple of months. And I wanted to, just document that this is kind of part of in the entire I don't even know what to call it, whether it's a case study or not, but I've been using my Legion Secret for the last 2 years, and it is a catalyst in my entire business. It allows me to have a funded budget for paid advertising. Yes, I said that basically I'm not going out of my pocket for advertising just because of the strategy, and I want to pretty much show you guys how to leverage it. Now, obviously, this is not something that is a push button whatever. It is not a get rich quick. It's something that you do have to put in the work, because my Legion Secret is a source that you can generate traffic. I'll cover that in a second. First and foremost, I want to just let you know that these results, also what you're going to see, are not typical. These are my results after I put in the work and the effort. Now, if you are ready to do that, then what I will say to you right now is that below in the description of this video, but also in the pinned comments, there is going to be a link to a very minor course, a mini course if you want to call it, that I have that talks about this strategy. But it's simply, even if you don't want to take the course, I'm telling you upfront, it's simply getting my Legion Secrets and sending emails out to an offer, whether it is on Warrior Plus or whether it is in ClickBank. I personally recommend just these two networks. You can use it for others, but don't. I mean, I've seen the most results on these personally, and so that's why I want to say very frankly to you that it is important to pay attention to these elements right here. Now, obviously, you can try and test things out yourself, but at the end of the day, if you want my help and support and guidance, then you can get that as well within the mini course itself. You can get access to the prompts that I'm using for my email marketing, and it will not only help you with my Legion Secret, but also will help you with just setting up emails and as a whole in your business. So you're not dependent on swipes, or even if you do like swipes, how do you take the swipes and edit it so that you can make yourself unique and stand out of the crowd so that you can get the results that you need. Now, obviously, as I said, I cannot guarantee you those results. It's just giving you an opportunity to be able to stand out of the crowd, which is what we do when we advertise as affiliate marketers. Okay, so what is my Legion Secret? My Legion Secret, guys, is, let me just go to this page right here so that you guys can see what my Legion Secret is. It is a offer that gives you 100 leads. It's a product that gives you 100 leads every single day, without a website, without anything else. It's just, you just pay $30 a month, so $30 the first month, and following up after that, and $30 one-time fee at the end to set this up, set the system up for you. And you basically get 100 leads every day into your account, which you can email every single day, once every single day. Now, obviously, the guarantee with them is that you're getting these leads. There is absolutely no guarantee in sales, and they are, you as a market, as I mentioned, you are being able to leverage these leads to get sales in your business by applying marketing skills. Now, I do want to say that my Legion Secret gives you co-registration leads. So they're not the highest quality leads. They are mid-quality leads, as I would call them, because they are leads that give you that have buying intent, and that are looking for, specifically in the make money online niche or the business opportunity niche, offers and training and services that are available. So if your offer has to do with that, then you can definitely use and leverage these leads. Why am I using it personally? I got started 2 years ago, guys, because simply I wanted to save time in finding these 100 to 200 leads every day, because it does take a lot of effort and time to be able to get these 100 leads every day. And so I'm saving time there. And then secondly, I'm using it as a playground for my email marketing, to get better at my email marketing and get conversions at the end of the day in my sales. So it's a good marketing playground to have. So even if I don't make sales, it's a good space to see what works, to see what doesn't work, and so on and so forth. I'm just being realistic. This is personally how I look at it. A lot of people get into my Legion Secret, guys, thinking that there is some secret formula, there is some secret sauce. You need to put in the work, and based on how you are marketing to your leads, so how you are writing your emails to your leads, you will make sales or not. And you can learn things when you don't, and you can learn things when you do. Now, I have shared my journey for the last 2 years on this YouTube channel. So if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified for future videos. But the reason why I put it out there and the reason why I'm making these videos is because I want to show you guys the journey that I'm personally on to get these kind of commissions. Okay, it's helped me in Warrior Plus last year. This year I'm already scaling up on ClickBank, and I wanted to share with you guys my results. So this is the strategy that I follow. I personally build a fund itself using my Legion Secret as the main catalyst behind it. And then I take that income that I earn into paid advertising to build my primary programs like Master Affiliate Profits. And if you guys don't know what Master Affiliate Profits, I'll leave a link below. You can create a free account if you really want to learn marketing skills the right way. That's what I would suggest. It's going to be the second link in the description just in case you want to know. And yes, that's about it. Let me just jump into now Warrior Plus first, and let's see the results for March when it comes to Warrior Plus. All right, guys, so I'm in Warrior Plus, and I do want to mention to you that I have been using Warrior Plus for a long time, first and foremost. Secondly, I did not say this before, but I have two My Legion Secrets account. One My Legion Secret account I use purely for Warrior Plus, and the other My Legion Secret account I use purely for ClickBank. Now, this is on personal preference. Okay, I personally got two accounts because I could afford to get two accounts. If you can afford to get one account, then you get one account, and that's really up to you. You can build your way up. That being said, I use, as I said, one account for My Legion Secret. So all the results that you will see are from specifically this one account. So first and foremost, let's just go to transactions, and what I'm going to do is put this month so that we are in the month of March, and let's see how much I've earned. So I've not earned a lot with my Warrior Plus these last couple of months. I'm still figuring out what I have been doing wrong the last couple of months to be able to earn such a low amount of commissions, because usually I range between $300 to $500 in commissions just on Warrior Plus, but these last couple of months have been low. And you take those low months and you say, okay, what's going on? Can I improve it? Can I check my emails? And so I'm going through this entire process myself as well. So it's, even though after 2 years, I can still go back to the basics and improve my emails at the end of the day. So that's what I'm doing right here. So let's just put this as, I will just put the tracking code so we have a very clear idea. But you'll see that I've earned basically $136 in commissions and 55 cents. So let's just put that in a new tab so that we have that available. Sorry, we have that available in the new tab, and we'll go here, just add 136. Okay, just so that we know that that's the first amount. Then we will go to ClickBank and we will see how much I've earned basically in ClickBank. So I've not made too many sales in Warrior Plus. You can see I've made 9 sales, which is pretty decent also. I might be changing this strategy so that I would get more sales, because I used to make at least 15 to 20 sales before. Now I'm making only 9 sales, so that's half of what I was doing, right? So I really need to look at what's going on in the last couple of months to be able to improve this, which I was getting at least 3 sales a week. Now I'm making 1 or 2 sales a week. So that has been a big change for me, and I'm just sharing, the ups and downs as well. For me, this is a down. I definitely want to get this specific account, so this My Legion Secret account with Warrior Plus, to at least $300. That is my goal, and I know that it is possible. So that is why I want to get. So let's go to ClickBank to see the rest. This is, let's look at the month of March to show you guys so far. Month to date, as you can see, I've been doing pretty well with ClickBank, quite often sales, and this is the second account that I have for ClickBank. Okay, and remember, I'm using one account for ClickBank, one account for Warrior Plus. Some people use 2 accounts for ClickBank and they just focus on ClickBank. Fine, absolutely fine. I want to build both of these because I think they give me different insights with both of them, and I can see what's an advantageous for me. Right now, ClickBank is working better than that Warrior Plus specifically for me. So as you guys can see, I've earned, what is it? For the last month, I have earned, so scroll down here, $220 so far and 94 cents. Okay, so we'll just take that. This is purely with one account, as I mentioned. So we'll add that here, plus, and then we have that, right? So that is the total amount so far. So we're at 357 for the entire month so far. Now I will log into My Legion Secret because I also promote My Legion Secret as just a secondary offer that's available, because the moment you get a bonus lead in an active member in My Legion Secret, you get bonus 100 leads, which is why personally I was promoting My Legion Secret. So let me just log in. All right, guys, so this is my main account of My Legion Secret, and as you guys can see, my numbers are pretty decent. Last couple of days I've had actually pretty bad numbers, and I've seen my opens have been going up and down, fluctuating quite a bit. So I really need to focus on these leads. Sorry, this is my second account, guys. I will just log into the main account that I have, because the first account is the one that gets me all my commission. So okay, so here I am logged into my account, and let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm getting pretty decent opens. What I've not been liking so much is my click-through rate. So I really need to improve that click-through rate. In some cases, I'm getting lower than 10%. So I know that there is some things going wrong, which I need to figure out. But just to show you, these are the commissions. I have totally 8 active members to let you know. So that means, more or less every single month with 8 active members, I would get around $45. But let's see in commissions how much I've actually got. So I'm just zooming in here just for privacy purposes. And let's just count for the month of March how many commissions I've got. So I've got 28 here. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $30 for the month of March. Now, I believe that all the payments have gone through. The recurring payments are the ones that are coming in every month. I haven't made any new ones except for the end of last month. So that's this month, no new sales when it comes to My Legion Secret. So that's $30 over there. So we'll add that as well. As I mentioned, $30. So that's a total of 387.49. Okay, so this is the total amount that I personally earned. And I'm gonna go to OLSP, which is also another offer that I share, and I'm just gonna go to commissions, and I'm basically using this with My Legion Secret only. So it's a magic link. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 7 fives are 35. So we're going to add another 35, which is what I've earned again with My Legion Secret. So I'm only using these 2 accounts. By the way, guys, this OLSP is just I use it as a PS in my email. So I use it as like a bonus offer and say, if you're not interested in what I'm showing you on ClickBank, then you can get this. And by doing that, I've been getting on averaging out around 5 sales every single month. So that's around $35 every single month. So the total amount comes to $422.49 in revenue. Okay, so these are commissions purely made. Now, my cost for My Legion Secret is $60, right? Because I have 2 accounts. So we're going to deduct that, and the total amount for the month of March is $362.49. This is what I've earned from using just this strategy. So purely said, in a very realistic manner, I'm averaging for this step 1, which is taking My Legion Secrets, which you can sign up and start writing. And if you guys don't know how to do this, as I mentioned, there is a course that is going to be in the pinned comments and also in the description. It's going to be the first link, and you will also find a playlist in the description, which will give you all the training that you need for free. So you don't really need to buy the course if you don't want it. I'm just saying that it's available in case you do want my help personally. That's where you get the help, and that's where you get my swipe and everything, my prompt and everything else that's needed for you guys to get the best success or the similar success that I'm personally getting. Okay, now I don't say that this is going to make you a lot of money and so on and so forth, but it's consistently making me between $300 to $500 every single month, just this step 1. Now I will say that the last couple of months also have been a bit low. I expected to get above 500 every single month if ClickBank is doing the way that it's doing. And also Warrior Plus was at $300 per month. You can imagine I would have already been plus 500, right? So this is a lower month for me. However, I do see the potential for the next year, for the entire year, to grow much more. And I think that is definitely possible, because my highest months in Warrior Plus, if I just go to the stats and show you guys this, myself, actually sales report. Let me just go to sales report, because you'll be able to see it there clearly in the sales report. And we will look at March, but we'll look at just, let's say, the March 2000 and yeah, so we go to March 2024, and I'll just click on view just to show you guys the last 12 months, right? So in the last 12 months, I have had months, you can see right here, April 2024 was $578 just on Warrior Plus and with 1 account. Okay, so 1 account can generate you this much money. It's not like it cannot. And then it has been lowering down for the last few months, but in general it's been between 400 to 500. That's how it is. And then this, as you can see, towards the end of last year is when it's dropping, which means I have a high time that I look at what's going on and how do I improve this sales count to get at least 1 sale every other day. That would be ideal for me, because it means that I would be making at least $500 a month. Okay, that is all I wanted to share with you guys. This is purely a result video. It's the end of the month. I do this every single month. So if you haven't subscribed, again, subscribe to the channel so that you get access to this videos that I post every month. And if you are realistically wanting to work with me, then the link to Map also will be in the description of this video. Map is my #1 offer. And again, you can find more information about that. I do not promote that with My Legion Secret. I focus on just purely organically talking about it and sharing it with people, because it's a resource that really has made a difference in my life personally. And I would love for it to make a difference in your life as well. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say in this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I hope that you will get or start to take action and write emails every single day. Give it 12 months. And hopefully you can come back to this video and let me know your feedback about it. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.